We get the pricing list for the OnePlus 6, and it seems to be getting scarier. We also seem to find code names for the Google Pixel 3, and Honor is launching another AI phone very soon. I'm Jaime Rivera, and whoa, it's Friday already. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals as, just coming back from China, I realized just how important WeChat Pay is over there, and clearly Apple wants to do the same thing with Apple Pay. The company is now offering discounts in certain stores. You have the store list in the description. Definitely, it keeps growing in subscribers, and there's a reason for it. Other interesting official news has to do with Honor, as the company has just announced that we will have a press event happening in London on May 15. We don't know exactly what we're getting. The rumors are that we might be getting an Honor View 10 in a smaller variant. Even though I really like the View 10 as it is, let's see exactly what we get over time. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, whatever the case may be, as we are hearing code names. These just came from XDA. The problem is that the source is not necessarily what we would consider credible, and then I'm completely conflicted over the names because, well, Blue Line I haven't heard before, but then Crosshatch and Albacore are code names that I had heard in the past. I may be mistaken. Let us know in the comments. Apparently, 3 devices, probably. We'll see. Now let's talk about LG. We've got some interesting patents that just emerged about a possible device that can fold, and we're talking more like Axon M type of folding and not necessarily something like a curved display. So much so that we hear that there are foldable batteries being included, and these fold at a specific section. Another is that we hear that there will be 2 headphone jacks because I guess they want to mock the companies that are getting rid of it, and LG hasn't been one of them. Let's see what this is going to be all about. We're not exactly sure where we're going to get this. And finally, the most interesting news today that we hope don't get scary have to do with the OnePlus 6, as we continuously see that smartphones have been raising the price tags, and well, it's apparently inevitable for it to happen to OnePlus, though we're expecting it to not be so significant. Apparently the company wants to play a tier game where, in the case of the 64GB variant, we're starting at that one as well. And we hear that it'll start between $523 and $550. We also hear there's going to be an 128GB variant that's going to start at $600 and stretch all the way to $650. The interesting one is the 256GB variant, because we assume expandable storage is not making the cut again. $700, depending on whichever market you're looking at. That's kind of crazy. It's still a lot less expensive than most competition at that amount of storage, but in today's question, let us know. Do you think that this would completely kill the whole purpose of the OnePlus 6 with that price tag, or would you be willing to consider it? In my case, OnePlus, I hope you're listening. I would not mind the $50 price gap. If anything, go to $550, give me 64GB of storage, and give me an expandable SIM tray, and I could deal with that. I don't need more storage, and I don't need that game, but that's my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the Huawei P20 Pro down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.